Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a $20 session, and this is the new ticket here in California. I just got two, and the other tickets, they don't have it yet. That's what the man told me, you know, from that store, 7-Eleven. I got this from 7-Eleven, you know. And I have ticket 34 and 35. Look at my scratch board here. Yeah. Visit all their channels, guys. I got Angel Scratch Show, D-Man, you know, Chandra Scratch in Spain, Washington Scratcher, Random Red, Slot Savvy, M2M, my bestie, and Awesome Sauce, Jim Toyo, but he's not active anymore, Gamblebee, Slots and More. Visit all their channels, guys. They're awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna try this new ticket. Wish me luck. Ticket 34 and 35. That's 34 and 35. We need to find 10x and 20x and the word win symbol, win all 20 prizes. And there's a bonus spots here. The stack of cash, 100 instantly. And this is book number 2. Odds of winning 1.2.92, cash price 1.4.13. All right. Wish me luck. Thank you. How's everyone? I hope everyone is doing good and winning, right? I'm gonna use my coin. Oh, sorry. Diamonds. Undo. Right. Okay. Horseshoe? No. Okay, winning numbers, my 8. Alright. And LBUSO. My 8 in LBUSO. 5. Someone's 5. 41. 32. 23. CC Norcal. And 36. Let's find a match. 27. 47 and 43, you get 41, 45, 17. Oh, yay! My 8 in, my 8. My 8 in LBUSO 8. Woohoo! Alright. 18. Tuk Tuk. We get 23. 4, we get 5. 25, SoCal. 33, CC Julia. 19, 36, yes. 2 matches. 36 and 36. Woohoo! Thank you, California. Alright. 30 and 35. We got 36. 39. Oh, third match. 5 and 5. Alright. 44, J Sarge. And 46. We got 3 matches, guys. Woohoo! My 8. 36. And a 5. Let's go with 36. A 5. And then 5, another 5, and then 8. This is $10 ticket, guys. Okay, and a 5, 15. Nice. Thank you, California. You got 15. Is that it? Did I miss something? I think no, right? Oh, here. I miss here. OMG. Yeah, there you go. 38. No, 38. Okay. $15. Yahoo! Okay, let's go with ticket 35. Diamond. Pot of gold. Okay. Winning numbers 49, 19, 16, Mary, rise and scratch, 4, 17, and 49. Okay, let's find a match. 30, 11, the gambler, 37 and 44, J. Sarge, 9, Fancy Nancy, 46, 32, 27, 41, 40, 23, CC Norcal, 36, I wish back to back, right? 45, 13, 35, 25, SoCal, 33, CC Julia, 38, we got 39, 1 off, my 8 and Elvioso, and 15, we got 16. Okay, not a winning ticket, this ticket 35. Alright, we got $15 and this is $20 session. Just lost $5. Thank you guys for watching my video. We won $15 here. 555. Okay. And good luck also to your ticket. Thank you, California.